GLE63 with a ghost system. So a thief gets in with your cloned key, or they've stolen it, broke into your house, get in the vehicle, start it up, go to drive away, select their gear, and you see the car cuts out and the revs die. For the customer to start this, just put the handbrake on. For the customer to start this, we'll start from the start. So foot off the brake, tap the ignition on, go through a push sequence of their choosing. For now, we've left it nice and simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. We went for a double flash from our parking light. And now foot on the brake, hold the start button, and the vehicle's going to fire up. We can select our gear, drive, do what we need to do. If they're taking it for a service and want to put it into service mode, all they'll have to do is press the mute button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 5 flashes. So now it's in service mode. So as long as they don't exceed 30 miles an hour, 15 minutes or more while you've got it in service, it's going to stay in service mode. So they fire it up. No need for a code. It's as if nothing's fitted to it. We select our gear, doesn't cut out. The immobiliser is completely off. To turn the system back on when you get it back from them, tap the ignition on with your foot off the brake, go through your code, get your double flash, and the system's back on, fully protected. Customer can set their own code up to 21 presses, obviously in any order they choose. It's not just a simple 4-button press. We've got load of videos on how to do that. But if you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a Ghost 2 on a 2018 GLC63. Sorry, GLE63. Thanks for watching.